Are you feeling any sort of discomfort?
No.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
Can you tell me how you're feeling right now?
I feel good. The session was really good.
Thank you.
So I'm ready to go on the bike again.
Inhale. Exhale. Oh, wow. That was a nice one. Inhale. Exhale. Oh, very nice. Exhale. Again inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Leave this easy.
Oh.
Relax. Have a deep breathe. Inhale. Oh, that was a nice crack.
Okay.
Yes. Relax. This is because you're riding a bicycle all day. So these all are stiff.
Yeah, I
Right.
feel like a piece
Yes.
of wood actually.
Yes. Relax.
I asked him to come tomorrow if he's staying in Lahore.
Yeah, if you're in Lahore, so you can have a session by tomorrow as well. Are you feeling any sort of discomfort?
No.
Oh, nice. Oh, that was very nice. Relax. Relax. Easy. Oh, that was great.